Well, hello there, traders. This is Art Dale for FuturesTradingCompany.net and a recap of our trades on May 31st, 2012. I had actually a good day today. 5-0-2 was our YM, was the day trading session, plus 48 points. That was trading mostly one contract. Took two contracts on the first trade, and then we were taking one thereafter. So an okay day, plus 48 points. Uh, did not have any Globex trading last night. I'm opening the room two nights a week now, Tuesday morning and Wednesday morning, for Globex trading at 3 a.m. On the East Coast. Here I brought the my trade sheet over so you can see exactly when I took every trade. All the times here are on the Pacific Coast. Number of contracts we took, the entry. Uh, a BD is a breakdown short. A BO is a breakout to the upside, breakout upside. So those were the entries. Was the result of each trade. And as again, we didn't have any losing trades today. So a good day. I'll run over the trades real briefly for you. This was the first trade, 6:38 this morning. It was a trigger short, 12-4-10, and that was the one we took with two contracts, and it was good for 7 and 15 points. The second trade we took here was 7:24, and it was a breakdown short. This was the pivot that was put in, had a retracement, and then it broke down, and we took it short at 12,350. Only got 6 points, 1 point away from a target, and I brought my stop to break even, and so we exited the trade at 12,350. Third trade we took here was, again, it was a trigger entry, 12,387 is where we got short, and actually it got to 12,378. I was looking for a 10-point minimum on that trade since I only took it with one contract, and so again it came back and stopped us out at break even. Then right after that we got long, and it was a trigger long. This was 11:02, and high of the trigger bar was 391. So we got 392 was our entry right here on this bar, and I put in a target of 405, and we got that for plus 13 points. And then at 11:20 we had a trigger short, 12,408. I was looking for 10 points, and we got that. Exited at 12,398. The low of the move was 12,395 there. Here we got our next trade was at 11:37, and it was a breakout to the long side, a breakout long, a break of this pivot. Did have a trigger fire here, and it was a valid long trigger, but I took the breakout instead of taking a trade above the trigger, so it was a breakout trade, 12,420, and unfortunately, again, we got 9 points, 12,429, and then it came back and stopped me out. I put my stop up to 1.12421 just to make sure that I paid for the trade, and so that stopped us out plus one. And then the final trade was at 11:49. And it was a short, 12,412. Again, it was a trigger short. We got 404 here. Again, this was 8 points, and I brought my stop down 2 points to 12,410, and that's where we got stopped out. So anyway, all in all, a good trading day. There was quite a reversal during the day, and it was pretty incredible to watch. But then, at the end of the day, a big sell-off. So quite a volatile day. I stopped trading just a little too soon. Obviously, this would have been a beautiful short here after the trigger. Could have taken it here at 12,457, and that would have been a very nice entry. But I basically had packed it in about noon Pacific time. I had some errands to take care of, and we'd already had an okay day. But this was a nice long here. 12,425. These would all be triggers. 36. Well, you would have gotten one target there. You could have re-entered again on this trigger. And again on this trigger. 462. 479. Wow, later in the day was incredibly good. Well, that was it. That was the day. I hope you guys, some of you would like to join us in the room, sign on to our website, and sign in on the guest book, or simply send me an email, let me know, and I'll get you into the room for a free 1-week trial. And hey, take a look at YouTube also. I posted another live trade today on the website in addition to this recap. Have a great evening, everyone. For FuturesTradingCompany.net, trading to win, this is Art Dill.